Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I will deliver another important lecture on data communication and networking. The topic is gateway. The topic is gateway. This is internet networking tools. So this is very important topic for BCA, BTech, MCA and others competitive exam throughout India like NET exam and GATE exam. So this topic, that is gateway. So let us outcomes of this lecture, that is the outcomes. Upon the completion of this session, the learner will be able to know what is gateway and how does it work and the behavior of gateway. These three outcomes are there. That means what is gateway, how does it work and the behavior of gateway. So these things, okay. So now I am starting point wise discussion, that is gateway. So it is a internet networking tools. Before gateway, I already discussed 5 internet networking tools: hub, repeater, router, switch and bridges. This is the last one of internet networking tools. So since it is an internet networking tools, so we can say gateway, it is point number 1, it is internet networking tools. Internet networking tools or device tool. Internet networking tool or device. Point number 1. Now actually what is gateway? Now I will explain what is gateway. A gateway makes communication between two different architecture and environment. Gateway makes communication. Number 2, gateway makes communication. Gateway makes communication. Gateway makes communication between two different architecture. Between two different architecture or environments. Two are different architecture or environment. Two different architecture or environments. Okay, two different architecture and environment. That is what I am telling. I want to say gateway makes communication between two different architecture or environments. Suppose if I take an example, suppose Chinese and Bengali. When Chinese and there will be gateway. This is the gateway and here is Bengali. When Chinese and Bengali, they are communicate through gateway. So that means when Chinese is one type of architecture or one type of network and Bengali is another network, that is when they are communicating, they cannot communicate with the help of gateway. That means with the help of gateway they can communicate with each other. But because these are two different architecture or environment, that means this environment and having their protocol is different, or you can say their protocol is different. Chinese and Bengali. These are two different networks. To define they are having different protocols. When they talk with each other, there will be a gateway. That is when they communicate with each other, there will needed a gateway. This is the gateway. So Chinese and Bengali, when they are communicate with each other, there will be need a gateway. Okay. So that means gateway makes communication between two different architecture and or environment. Architecture or environment. I think you understand. Okay. So next point, gateway operates on top three layers of OSI model. Point number 3, gateway operates on top 3 layers of OSI model. Top 3 layers of OSI model. Top 3 layers means session, presentation and application layer. Session layer, top 3 layers, session, presentation and application layer. So gateway operates on top 3 layers of OSI model. That is session, presentation and application layer. Okay, application layer. So we can say this is very, very powerful. This is very, very powerful. So next point. A gateway can implemented completely in hardware, completely in software and as a combination of both. So we can say number 4, gateway. A gateway can be implemented completely in software completely in hardware completely in hardware or in both Okay, understand? A gateway can implement it completely in software, completely in hardware or in both. So we can say from this point it is very powerful and very intelligent connection. So we can say since gateway is implemented completely in software, completely in hardware or in both, so we can say it is very, very powerful and very, very intelligent network. Very, very intelligent network. Okay. So next point number 5. Gateway can forward the data packet from one network to another. Gateway can forward, number 5. Gateway can forward the data packet from one network to another network. Okay, that is gateway can forward the data packet from one network to another network. That is forwarding facility. That means gateway can forward the data packet. When the same network, that is this is one network, this is another network, they can communicate. So when the same network, that is here is gateway, here are some devices and here are some devices. So when these devices send a send a message to this in these devices, then it will forward. When in the same devices, that is in the same network, they will not forward, they will filter in the data. It's in the same network. It's in the same network, like suppose network 1, this is network 2. Suppose we can say this is network 1 and this is network 2. That is when in same network data packet will not forward, that is called filtering. So we can say gateway can filter the data packet. Number 6, gateway can filter the data packet. Can filter. Filter means when in the same network, suppose in network there are 3 devices, one device is sending to other devices in the same network, they will not forward the data packet. So this type of sending of data packet is called filtering. Okay, so it means gateway having filtering capacity can filter the data packet. This is number 6. Next point, this is very important point. A gateway is a network that connects two network using different protocol together. I already discussed this point. Once again, this is number 7. A gateway is a network node. A gateway is a network node. A gateway is a network node that connect two network that connect to network. A gateway is a network node that connect to networks using different protocol. Networks using different protocols. Using different protocols together. Using different protocol together. Okay, this point try to understand. A gateway is a network node that connects two networks using different protocols. But in case of router can communicate between two different networks using the same protocol. Here different protocols, that means Chinese and Bengali. Both are different protocols, they are maintaining different protocol. But in router they will same protocol. That means a gateway is a network node that connect two networks using different protocols. But in case of router can communicate between two different networks using the same protocol. This is the difference between router and protocol. This is the difference between router and gateway. Okay. So next point is gateway is called protocol converter. Next point we can write gateway is called protocol converter. Gateway is called number 8. Gateway is called protocol converter. Protocol converter. That means, so try to understand the point number 8. Gateway is called protocol converter. That is, gateway is as it can translate information between different network data format. Okay, as it can why protocol converter, as it can translate information between different network data format. So, and other last one you can write, gateway can provide security also. Gateway can provide number 9. Gateway can provide security. Gateway can provide security. Gateway can provide security. Gateway can provide security between different network data format. Okay. So gateway can provide security also. That means they can secure the data. When one network is sending data to another network, others networks will not understand whether they are exchanging data. So we can say gateway provide security. So these are the points about gateway. I think you understand what is gateway and how does it work and the behavior of gateway. These are the 9 points. I think it is very clear. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. I think I am 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll come with my next video, that is switching, that is packet switching, circuit switching and message switching. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.